to sleep, I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again, I pray the Lord that I now I lay me down to sleep, I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again, I pray the Lord that I wake again.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's Halloween tutorial we're doing this post surgery look, plastic surgery gone wrong look. Too many plastic surgeries, you know, whatever you want to call it. I loved it. It's Halloween but you still kind of look cute and I like it a lot. I also have a syringe with me so you can use to take pictures and videos and whatever you want to do. But anyways guys, let's go ahead and start this tutorial. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Alright guys, so we're starting by prepping our skin. I'm applying this illuminating face oil, which I love, and it makes it super easier when applying the foundation. Then I decided to use this lip pumper because I think it's gonna make our lips look bigger and it's gonna add this plastic surgery look to it. I then moved on to the foundation. I'm applying 2 coats of it because I want full coverage for this makeup. And then we're just doing the usual after the foundation, applying some concealer and some powder to seal it. Then we'll use this red and pinkish tones as our eyeshadows because I'm going for kind of a Barbie look right here. I'm adding a little bit more of pink and just doing a super pink eye. I did the same thing to both eyes, and then we'll move on for the eyebrows. I decided to use this Tattoo Studio because I wanted them to be super filled out, like super, even fake I would say, super perfect and not realistic whatsoever. I'm using this contour kit from Anastasia to do some contouring. We're doing just regular contouring, just do it a little bit stronger I'd say, but looks pretty normal. Not much of a point here in contouring our noses, but I just realized that later because we're gonna cover it, so just skip this part. Taking the lip pumper out so we can start overlining our lips. Make sure to actually overline because we want to make them look bigger. We'll use some purple, black, and yellow eyeshadows to do the bruises under our eyes. We want to make sure the black is closer to the eye. Then we move on for purple and finish with yellow, as if the bruises were like fading out. I'm gonna use some liquid latex to create a cut in our forehead. I want to make it look as if the skin was about to come off, and we're gonna make it look like it was perfectly cut. I'm also adding some cotton to the liquid latex so we create a little bit more of a texture. Once it's dry, we can cover it with some concealer so it actually looks like it's our skin. Here comes the fun part of this makeup. We're using some black eyeliner and we'll start drawing some X's, some arrows and lines as if the doctor had drawn them before the surgery. We're now adding some fake blood to the cut in our forehead. I loved doing this. I think it made a huge difference because it actually looks like it's opened now. We're using some cotton and bandage to create kind of a cover for our nose to look like we just got a nose surgery. I decided to add a little bit of fake blood in the bandage and also to add a little blood in my actual nose to look like it's coming out of it. I created this hairband by using some bandages I bought at the pharmacy, so they're actually real. I then decided to add some fake blood to it to look like as if it was covering some actual wounds. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I loved it. I added this blood over here because I have a syringe full of blood that I'm gonna hold to take pictures and videos, and I like the idea. I also added some false eyelashes and some contact lenses. I loved it. I really did. I think it still looks cute even though it's Halloween. If you still haven't, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and come back next week because I'll be posting a new Halloween video. I have already many ideas planned out and I can't wait to show them to you. So see you all next week. Bye!